Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be working on this Tyco 060 that I got recently, which if you want to learn how, you can go check out a video that'll link below. But before that, let's go test this engine out, see if it's doing anything currently. Alright, so I've got it all set up on the track. Here's how it is as of now. Hopefully we can improve upon this. I'm going to take the shell off, and then I'll come back without the shell. Alright, so time to get to work on this thing. I don't think I need to actually full-on remove these weights, so what I'm going to plan on doing is just unscrewing this bottom bit. Alright, so there, I've got this apart. Before we get into it, I'm just going to clean up the contacts on the bottom of here, and then the whole just bottom frame of here, so we don't have to worry about that later. So I'll be back in a second, and we will get to work on that. There, I think the little bottom bit's done. It was pretty filthy. So while I've got them out, I'm going to deal with these wheels next up. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to start by taking off these gears here, and then I'll go into the motor of this. That does not look very bad at all. Springs look both pretty good. That commutator is actually pretty clean. No, I'll still clean off the commutator and the brushes just because. Maybe it was a bit dirtier than I thought. There, I think I got that all nice and cleaned up, and I can begin to reassemble this, I think. Before I do anything more to this, I'm just going to check off camera that I got the brushes in right, and then I will come back. Alright, that is all good. Let's put the second screw back in here. Now we can get to work on the mess of this block. Alright, so there, we got the block all cleaned up. Next up, we've got the 3 gears. Alright, so now I think I can give this a little bit of oil, and then we can start putting the whole thing back together again. Alright, so I'm back. 2 little things that have happened is I fixed this plate again because it was upside down, and one of these, I think pickups went bad, or it's just bad, so I removed it. It's only gonna have one on the one side, but oh well. So now I can put these wheels back in. You know what, I'm gonna fix this pickup and get this thing put fully back together off camera, and I'll take it over to the track and test it out then. Alright, so I got the thing set up on the track. Hopefully it'll run well enough with only one wheel pickup on the one side, but we'll see. Wow. Might need to be broken in a little bit, but that's already great. Yeah, I'll test this out, let it break in, and see if there's any change. Alright, so it's been a bit, and it's just a slow running engine at lower speed. This is at about 50% power. And then this is, it needs a bit to speed up. This is more like 70, 75. Which, for a switcher, is perfectly fine, and I'm happy with that. So, thanks for watching.